Search in ERPNext. As we can see here, this is the search space for our in ERPNext. For example, if I want to search for sales, I can see here all the recommendations: sales order, sales stage, sales order report, sales stage report, new sales order, new sales stage, and all the recommendations or all the things that sales are in. For example, help and search, create new record or new type for the document, list a document type, for example customer, search in a document type, text in document type, and so on. For example, I'll search for sales invoice list. As I can see here, the system open sales invoice. I can also use the shortcut Ctrl-G or Control-G. As I can see here, find the page, for example 12. Customer, highlight all, phrase not found. For example, I'll search for Ahmed. As I can see here, Ahmed is highlighted. So Control and G highlight the words that I put here. I can match case or match or the whole word. For example, Ahmed, I'll just select highlight all, or I can search here for anything. For example, supplier list, and then I'll search in this filters. For example, I want Ahmed, or for example, if I went to the item list, I can see here a lot of items. I'll select by name, for example, car. For example, 001. As I can see here, all the items with the name 001 is shown and the others is hide. If I delete them, as I can see here, all items are shown. And this is all about search in ERPNext.